Okay, so I've got a 2015 Honda Civic, and this is my daughter's car, and when she turns her fan on for air conditioning or heat, she gets a thumping noise or a vibration. That's generally an easy fix in a vehicle like this. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so what I've done is I've cleaned out the glove box, and I've got this ready for removal. Now, you don't really have to remove this, but it does make it easier just so you can see what you're doing underneath. Machine screw with a Phillips head on this hinge here, and then one over here. So we're going to take this out, and then the glove box will just pretty much drop right out, and this is what we're aiming for. So this is what the fan noise sounds like. Okay, so we're going to tear into this. It's pretty easy to work on, tear down the glove box. So that's pretty easy to do. Right up underneath here, we have a couple machine screws, and they're just Phillips head, small machine screws underneath each latch here. At this point, the box will just fall out. Now, we need to get underneath here, but I'm just, like I say, I'm just exposing this so we can kind of see what's going on. So my daughter changes the air filter quite frequently, or the cabin filter quite frequently. She does it at a minimum of once a year. Let's get started. In order to drop the blower motor down, which is right here, Torx T20 screws that we're going to need to take out. So we have a Phillips up here that's holding this in as well. That will allow us to drop this assembly down. We don't really need to take this shield off all the way. This is just a little kind of a beauty shield here. And we just had a leaf fall out, so let's twist her around and see what we've got. Get leaves or debris of some kind in here. This looks like it's paper towel, and what it does is it throws this off balance. So we're going to clean this out and then reinstall it and check it. We should be good to go. Okay, something else that you might want to do before you reinstall the fan, maybe get your hands up in here, kind of go around, and just make sure you don't have any other debris up in here in the blower assembly, and we do not. We're looking pretty good here. All right. And it's just going to go back in the exact same way it came out. Pretty basic. Okay. So now that we've got that, let's just give this another little cinch down here, like that. And let's turn the vehicle on. There we go. Nice and quiet. So we'll button her up. Let's turn this back on. Nice and quiet. Glove box is all back and everything. And we are good to go. Alrighty.